back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to make a cheesy paratha. The ingredients for this recipe are a pinch of salt, some flour and some dough. We also need some cheese and some cooking oil. So the first thing we'll do is just kind of like dip this in there and just give it a tiny little bit of a knead, not a lot. Following on from that, I just add a tiny little bit of cheese into this ball. We need a tiny bit of salt, just a tiny pinch. And then we just shut in this thing down like you would in a pastry. Just give it another knead so that it's round. And there you go. There's your cheesy ball. So you just put that in there again. And then as you can see, mine is not the best in terms of roundness, but I don't think it's the worst either. So the next thing you do is you just put some cooking oil on your pan, which is known as your tawa. You just allow that to heat up a little bit. Once your oil has heated up, you just need to put your paratha on your pan lightly. You now add a little bit more cooking oil over the top, and with a brush I just try to push that all the way around. Just like that, so that it's everywhere. So the next thing you do is you turn the paratha over, just like that. Just make sure you distribute the oil onto the corners and the ends so that the oil's the same at every angle. And then I usually just turn it over like this. There you go, you can see it's cooking really nicely. I like mine really crispy. Just allow that to cook very nicely for another minute or so. That side's cooked really nicely. Just give it another 30 seconds to a minute. Just want to make sure that the other side's cooked really nicely. And there you go, that's one side, that's the other side. And then you move it on to one of these.